Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your SeatGeek account password. If you don't have a SeatGeek account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, select either to instantly log in with your email, or use a password. Once you're logged in, you will see an avatar icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the avatar icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on My Account. Under Accounts, you will see several tabs. Click on Login and Security. On this page, you will see a section for Password. Beside is an option for Update. Click on Update. Now on the first field, enter your old password. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your SeatGeek account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.